In today's digital world, businesses rely heavily on technology. This reliance comes with risks. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated. Data breaches can be costly. Compliance regulations are getting stricter. IT infrastructure audits help mitigate these risks. They provide a snapshot of your organization's security posture. Audits identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with regulations. A well-executed audit protects your data, your reputation, and your bottom line. Think of it as a health check for your IT systems. To conduct a comprehensive audit of an organization's IT infrastructure, we divide the IT infrastructure into 7 distinct domains, each with its own unique focus and responsibilities. 1. The user domain, which focuses on users, their access rights, and security awareness training. This domain ensures that users understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining security. 2. The workstation domain, covering desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. It includes the hardware and software that users interact with daily. This domain also encompasses the operating systems, applications, and data stored on these devices, ensuring they are secure and up-to-date. 3. The LAN domain, which includes the local area network within an organization. This domain covers all the networking equipment, such as switches, routers, and firewalls, that facilitate internal communication and data transfer. 4. The LAN to WAN domain, acting as the bridge between the internal LAN and external networks, including the internet. This domain is crucial for managing the flow of data in and out of the organization. 5. The WAN domain, encompassing wide area networks that connect multiple locations or span a larger geographical area. This domain ensures that remote offices and branches stay connected. It includes the infrastructure that supports long-distance communication and data transfer. 6. The remote access domain, dealing with secure access for remote users. This domain includes technologies like VPNs and authentication mechanisms, which are essential for ensuring that remote workers can access the organization's network securely. 7. The system/application domain, focusing on servers, applications, and the data they store and process. This domain ensures that critical business applications and data are managed and protected. By examining each domain in detail, we gain a comprehensive understanding of the entire IT infrastructure, allowing us to identify potential vulnerabilities and areas for improvement. The user domain is often the weakest link in security. This is because users, whether they are employees, contractors, or even customers, can inadvertently or intentionally compromise security measures. Human error and malicious insiders pose significant threats. Simple mistakes, like clicking on phishing emails or using weak passwords, can lead to severe security breaches. Compliance laws include GDPR, which enforces strict rules for collecting and processing personal data of EU citizens. Organizations must ensure they handle data responsibly and transparently to avoid hefty fines. HIPAA protects the privacy and security of health information in the U.S. Healthcare providers must implement stringent safeguards to protect patient data from unauthorized access. CCPA grants California residents control over their personal information. Businesses must provide clear information on data collection practices and offer opt-out options. Business drivers involve reducing insider threats through strong user access controls and security awareness training, which minimize risks from negligent or malicious employees. Regular training sessions keep employees informed about the latest security threats and best practices. Maintaining customer trust is also crucial. Compliance with data protection regulations builds trust with customers. When customers know their data is protected, they are more likely to engage with the business. Key elements in the user domain include user accounts, where strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and regular account reviews are crucial. These measures help ensure that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive information. Acceptable use policies are essential, outlining clear policies on acceptable use of IT resources. These policies help set expectations and provide guidelines for proper behavior. Regular security training educates employees about cybersecurity threats and best practices. Continuous education helps create a security-conscious culture within the organization, reducing the likelihood of security incidents. The workstation domain includes all devices employees use to access your network. Laws such as PCI DSS mandate security standards for organizations handling credit card information. Business drivers focus on preventing data breaches, as lost or stolen devices can lead to data breaches. Encryption and strong access controls are vital. Key elements include ensuring all devices run the latest secure operating system versions. Installing and regularly updating antivirus software on all workstations is also crucial. Encrypting sensitive data stored on devices protects it from unauthorized access. Maximizing CIA, or confidentiality, integrity, and availability, is essential. Encryption protects data confidentiality. Patch management and regular backups ensure data integrity. Regular maintenance and backups guarantee system availability. Section 5. LAN Domain Compliance. Keeping the network secure. The LAN domain forms the backbone of your internal network, connecting all your devices and enabling seamless communication. Laws. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act, or SOX, requires publicly traded companies to establish internal controls for financial reporting, including IT systems. Compliance with these laws ensures that your network infrastructure supports accurate and reliable financial data. Business drivers. A secure and reliable LAN is crucial for internal communication and data exchange. It supports business operations, enhances productivity, and ensures that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access. Key elements. Switches use VLANs, or virtual local area networks, to segment network traffic and enhance security. VLANs help in isolating different departments or user groups, reducing the risk of internal threats. Routers should implement strong access controls and firewalls to regulate network traffic. These measures prevent unauthorized access and protect the network from external threats. Firewalls act as a barrier between your network and external threats, blocking malicious traffic and preventing cyber attacks. Maximizing confidentiality, integrity, and availability. VLANs and firewalls protect data confidentiality within the LAN. They ensure that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized users. Network monitoring tools detect and prevent unauthorized changes to data, ensuring its integrity. These tools provide real-time alerts and help in maintaining the overall health of the network. Redundant network devices and links ensure network availability in case of failure. This redundancy minimizes downtime and ensures continuous business operations, even during unexpected disruptions. Section 6. LAN to WAN and WAN domains, bridging the security gap. These domains connect your internal network to the outside world, requiring robust security measures. Key elements include firewalls. Next-generation firewalls with advanced security features are crucial for the LAN to WAN boundary. VPNs, or virtual private networks, securely connect remote users and branch offices to the main network. Penetration testing and configuration validation are also essential. Penetration testing simulates real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities. Configuration validation ensures all security devices are configured correctly and meet industry best practices. Section 7. Remote access and application domains, extending the security perimeter. Remote access and applications introduce unique security challenges. Key elements include remote access servers. Implement multi-factor authentication and strong access controls for remote access. Application servers. Harden application servers, regularly patch vulnerabilities, and use web application firewalls. Vulnerability management and patch management are also critical. Vulnerability management involves regularly scanning for vulnerabilities in applications and systems. Patch management means promptly applying security patches to remediate vulnerabilities. Section 8. Writing an effective IT infrastructure audit report. An effective audit report clearly communicates findings and recommendations. Key elements include executive summary. Provide a high-level overview of the audit's scope, methodology, and key findings. Methodology. Describe the audit process, including the tools and techniques used. Findings. Present detailed findings for each domain, including identified vulnerabilities and compliance gaps. Recommendations. Provide specific and actionable recommendations to address identified issues. Prioritization. Rank recommendations based on risk level and potential impact. Section 9. Conclusion: continuous compliance in a changing world. IT infrastructure audits are not a one-time event. Technology and security threats constantly evolve. Regular audits, combined with continuous monitoring and improvement, are essential for maintaining a strong security posture. By embracing a proactive approach to IT infrastructure security, organizations can mitigate risks, ensure compliance, and protect their valuable assets.